Hey, what are you building there?
A truck.
What kind of
fly truck?
Yeah. What's the measurements on there?
Let's say 35.
Okay, 35 what?
35. The truck's 35.
Okay.
The truck is 35.
Is it in feet? Is it in inches? What are you doing? So.
2 inches.
Yeah.
And the doors are wacky.
The doors are wacky, huh? Well, we gotta make a paper model first, and then we got what? Can you show everybody the pile of styrofoam? No, over here.
Oh,
Show
there.
everybody, come over here.
I got a styrofoam.
Yeah.
We're building.
So that's the pile of styrofoam that we're gonna build it with.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Foam everywhere. Okay, coming together. Here's the final package. The flying truck experiment. It's a total failure. Could not get this thing to fly.